Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annora. I'm back with another video, guys. On today's video, I want to be unboxing this towel warmer your girl got. I got it from Lagos. You can see it's been written here, Annora Port Harcourt, because I bought it in Lagos, so they had to ship it to me here. So for today's, let's see how this towel warmer is looking like from inside, guys. I got a lot of unboxing video to do. I got a lot of stuff to unbox, so you guys should just be ready for the goodies that Annora have this time around for you guys to see. Okay, so I go ahead and open it from here. Thank you so very much for always watching. Thank you so very much for always tuning to see what Annora has as a new video. Thank you guys so very much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there, because without you there is no Annora. Thank you so very much. So here comes it. See how it's been sealed. Oh my god, I love unboxing, I love unboxing. It's so nice. It's always like a good moment, you got something new coming up. So I'll just step this down and I get it from the box. My god, this towel warmer, it's okay, I need help. Come help me please. So this is it. I just got it out from the box. Oh my freaking god, guys. Oh, it's so lovely, I know some of you will be asking, what is she getting towel warmer for? What does she want to use towel warmer for? But guys, just hold on, okay? Annora is coming up with what's the use of this, okay? So just be patient. So this is how it's looking like. So this is how it is, and this is the carton. It's quite empty. There's nothing else there. Wow, guys, this thing is so cute. You guys will see the use of this, okay? For now, just be patient and keep watching my channel for you to see what Annora is up to, what I want to do with this towel warmer. So this is from behind. Here's the switch we got. They said this towel warmer is universal. It's really good. It's really good because I love it, And this is how you open it. Wow! Oh my god! This thing is so cute. It's so nice. And I got this. It's so nice, guys. Check it out now. 2 steps. It's sweet. It's so good. And these ones are removable. You can take them out. Annora, if you don't know it, just hold on, take the instruction paper and look at it for a while before you go into this. Okay, open it. Is it? There's some help. Okay, from up it's down to okay. Okay, so you can take off this. Yeah, so I just took it off now, and now this is it. You replace it this way. And now it's ready to be used. So I'll do the same thing with this one on. So I just take this one off. Please pardon the noise from outside. I don't know what's hitting what outside. I don't know, guys. Just bear with the noise, okay? So just go in now with this. The same way you put the other one, the same way. And you get your perfect towel warmer. So, and this is the extra stitch I got. So I'll just put this inside, and I think that'll be all about the video, guys. This is how my towel warmer is looking. I really love it. I love how it came with everything on it. It's so nice. And let's see from the bottom. The bottom is kind of, it's sealed. Check out the bottom. It's perfect. So perfect. I love it. And it's not too heavy. It's just a reasonable weight, And I think this is the This is the on and this is the off. So I will be coming up how it really works. Okay, so for today it's just an unboxing, so a video will be coming up on how this really works, if it really works perfect. You know, I know many people don't know about towel warmer, but just stay tuned and you will find out more about the use of this. Okay, so thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you all so very much. Very easy to open and close. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you all, and definitely will see you that's watching right there in my next video. Until then, I say bye and peace out. Always remember to drink you some water and you mind your own business.